Tuesday and today is my special day. Actually guys, papunta na kami sa office ngayon. Wala naman masyadong special sa aking birthday aside sa magla-lunch lang kami ng aming mga employees. Kaya nga kami maaga ngayon, which is mag-alas 12 na. Maaga sa amin to guys kasi usually after lunch na kami pupunta ng office. And sa kakapamadali ko guys, yun no, wala man lang ako nailagay sa mukha ko. Mukha tuloy akong malungkot ngayon for today's video. Mayroon ako lipstick guys, kaso lang nude. Di pala bagay sa akin yung nude. Pero okay lang yan, di ba? And guys, mabalik tayo sa aking celebration for today. Wala naman ganong special tulad ng sinabi ko. Magla-lunch lang kami ngayon ng aming empleyado doon sa office, which is naka-ready na pagdating namin. And mamayang hapon is ititreat ko naman ang aking pamilya. Sasama ko si boss. Actually kasi siya, kasi ang pa-birthday niya yun sa akin eh. Di ba boss? Di ba boss? Yan, magkikita-kita kami ng aking pamilya mamaya sa Shakey's. Kakain kami doon. Yun lang naman ang ganap ko para sa aking birthday kasi usually yearly ganun lang din naman, simpleng celebration lang. Hindi naman kasi ako mahilig sa mga yung mga mag-prepare pa, magluto-luto, mga ganun. Hindi kami nagkaganon. Kain-kain lang talaga kami sa labas palagi guys. Anyway guys, samahan nyo na lang po ako sa aking special day for today na which is mukhang hindi ko birthday. Bakit ang makeup ko ngayon? Kalula kasi ako nilagay sa ko guys. Pero carry lang yan. Mukha ko may sakit. Papalitan ko nga tong lipstick ko. Anyway, yun nga guys, samahan nyo na lang ako sa aking birthday for today. Thank you so much. Ay, hello. Ito guys, samahan nyo na lang ako sa aking birthday for today. See you later guys. Update ko na lang kayo sa mga kaganapan pa. Hey guys, ayun guys. Iba-vlog ko sarili kong birthday guys. Kunwari na surprise ako. Thank you. Wala na lobo-lobo, di matay bata eh. Ito lang naman ang ating food for today guys. Ang aming pagsasaluhan from Kenny Rogers. Hindi po ito sponsor ng Kenny Rogers. Binili po namin to guys. Ayan, ay baliktad pala. Ayan guys. Wow! Ganda ng cake ko. At ito, ang aming Kenny Rogers food. Sa natin. Ay, mamaya na lang guys. Mamaya ko napapakita. Tsaka, syempre, hindi ba mawala ang extra rice?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Bawa na. Maraming benta yan. Guys.
Pili ka ng transport mo.
Alis ka na. Ay, mga. Dami na.
Ay, wako na yung
Ayan guys.
wait, kabalik ako. Wako na dito na lang.
Yung kutsara niya nasa ilalim, nakaipit.
Ayun, hindi nakaipit.
Wala ko ng papunas. Ay, may ano pala dyan. Sila, ano? Dito ako isang kwadro dito. Guys, ito pala ang aming food, guys. Ribs, chicken. Ayan.
Oh, dito ka mang mic.
Kain tayo, guys!
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure.
Hello guys! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. On the way na kami sa Shakey's, guys. Dito lang din sa Carmona yan kasi magsi-celebrate ulit tayo na aking birthday. Pangalawang celebration, guys. Pero same day lang din. And ngayon naman, yung kabilang tribo ang ititreat ko. Yung aking pamilya. Ayun, andun na nga sila, guys, kasi usapan 5:30 past 6 na ngayon, guys, kasi syempre trabaho muna bago ang mga kasayahan sa buhay. At kaya on the way na kami, guys. Medyo na traffic lang kami ng konti. And samahan nyo po ako mag-celebrate ngayong gabi, guys. Update ko na lang kayo kapag nakarating na kami sa Shakey's. Oh. Ba't na kayo nagsiksikan doon? Hello! Ba't kayo nagsisiksikan dyan?
Happy birthday to you.
Wala akong cake! Wala akong cake! O ba yan?
Walang cake dito. Sa akin ko na nag-order ng manok eh. 75 lang isa.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening?
Papak yun, ha?